All right, y'all, what's up? Today is gonna be a fun day because we're gonna get Weston out on the turn track. If you watched the last video, took him out to the moto track, it hadn't been prepped, the ruts were too deep, the dirt was too hard, it just didn't work out. It had too many hills, so it intimidated him and almost gave me a heart attack. But now we're gonna go out, I'm gonna till up the turn track, the soil is good, it rained yesterday morning, and then me and Krista are gonna ride over it with the mule and the Bayou 220 and make it smooth for him. And here in about an hour or so, we're gonna get him out on the dirt for the first time. So he's excited, we're excited. Roll with me while I prep the track real quick and we'll see how he does. All right, guys, got my coffee, sponsored by Fly Racing. Not really, but they did give me the tumbler. Thanks so much. See if the old Deutz fires up. And yeah, we're gonna till this up. All right, guys, just hopped off the tractor, got her going. Man, I'm gonna have to learn how to replace discs on a disc soon because a lot of these are broke from rocks on the moto track. But worry about that later. Might have to just get a whole new disc. But yeah, it rained all morning yesterday, so the dirt, guys, I mean, it's like a garden. And we're gonna dig it today. So I'm gonna go with the four-wheeler and come back and try to trample in this little circle down here so Weston can hit it with his P-dub. Exciting. Oh guys, excuse my breath, but just made like 5 or 6 laps running around this little turn track I made for Weston. And I'm still just shocked at how hard the transition is for him to go from grass to dirt. Give it gas, buddy. Go a little faster and you'll stay up easier. I think he was a little shocked the first few laps because he had to give it more gas to go because this dirt is so sticky.
Good job.
Go, go, go. Give it some gas. Go. And I also think he wasn't used to having so much feedback in his steering, where this is very sticky early morning like garden dirt. And I did tamp it down with the side-by-side, but it's still, I don't know, he's used to that floaty feeling you have on grass. He's never felt this before, and he is tiptoeing. He rode the first 7 or 8 laps with his left foot just dangling. Give it gas! Good job! You're riding on dirt, buddy! Go, go, go! Yeah, he already looks like a different kid from he did the first 6 or 7 laps, but I don't know. I was hoping he would be really close to being on a moto track soon, you know, with me riding beside him. But I mean, a real moto track on a practice day makes this track look like the interstate. I mean, that's about as smooth as you'll ever have. So that just tells me that we have a lot of work to do down here on the turn track. We need to move our evenings from the grass field below the house to this turn track and just put in laps and laps and laps, and at some point make him a couple little bumps here to hit, and we're just gonna have to build up from there. It's gonna be slow, but like I said, I could care less if this kid ever does a motorcycle or motocross gate drop. Good job, buddy. Good job. Catch mommy. Catch mommy. You can tell he's looking right down in front of him because he's, you know, he's gotten so used to riding around the grass field. He would look up and look at the sky and sing to himself, and now he's looking right down in front of his front fender because of the bumps and stuff. But yeah, back to what I was saying, you know, I could care less if this kid ever does a motocross gate drop in his life. I'm not trying to pull you know, Tony Alessi, world's next best moto dad or anything like that. I just want him to feel confident and capable on a dirt bike, because it's what I love, it's what his mom loves, it's what our friends love. And I would like to trail ride, I would like to dual sport with him when he gets a little older. So I want him to be capable. And yeah, if he wants to race and he takes to it, then we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Good job, buddy, riding on dirt like a real racer. Look at that, riding on dirt like a real racer. Like the guys on TV. You're just like them. All right, there you go.
fun?
Yeah.